This is not Burger King. People do not get to have it their way. I ordered DDRF and you don't want to go there.
She did not want to participate.
All right, so you can participate at the prison. 23 CR 4230, State of Texas versus Darian Renee De La Rosa. Are you Miss De La Rosa?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Darian Renee De La Rosa who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 4230 for the offense of robbery on July 17, 2023 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. Violating condition number 56, on or about the 30th day of January 2024, in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Darian Renee De La Rosa, the then and there failed to comply with the rules and regulations or instructions of the Bear County Supervision and Corrections Department's duly diagnosed residential facility, and the defendant refuses to participate with the required program violation number 56.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of 56, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition 56?
Yes.
Court will find it true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor.
Yes.
It is to keep the individual on her probation or deferred to deny the motion and alter and amend require her to attend safety.
Okay, why is she not going to DDRF? That's my question, because that's what I ordered.
Your Honor, the information that was received from DDR was she did not want to participate.
All right, so you can participate at the prison, but it's not going to be at Safe P. This is not Burger King. People do not get to have it their way. I ordered DDRF and you don't want to go there. So what's going to end up happening? You've been here before. The court is going to find you guilty. Now, how much prison time do y'all want to ask for?
There's a state, maybe requesting 5 years, Your Honor.
I would ask for two, Judge. She's willing to go to Safe P. She wants to continue with drug court. We would ask that you reconsider and consider Safe P. We understand that's going to be 9 months long with aftercare. She's willing to do that.
Okay, this is what the court is going to do. As previously stated, the court is finding violation of 56 true. The court will find you guilty. There's to be no contact with Monica Tobias. Court is going to find you guilty.
Hold up, did the judge really just say this is not Burger King? Yeah, that's not just attitude, that's a warning. When a judge starts like this, it usually means someone already pushed their luck way too far. And trust me, it's about to get worse.
Court is going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison. Court will give you credit for any time served. The record. So, Ms. De La Rosa, when you're sent to certain programs, I'm not just doing it because, hey, let's just do this for no reason whatsoever. There was a reason you were sent to that program. You do not get to write your own programs. If you could write your own program and be successful at it, you wouldn't be in court. All right, good luck to you. Did you understand you're charged with the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yeah.
According to the plea, punishment is be assessed at 7 years in the prison. Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Your Honor, in the interest of justice, we would ask that the court consider moving forward with sentencing today. Ms. Rios is interested in beginning the process of putting this whole matter behind her.
All right.
Here's where things get serious. She was on deferred adjudication, basically a second chance. No conviction if you follow the rules. But violating a condition? That opens the door for the judge to slam down the full original punishment like it never got reduced in the first place.
The court, Ms. Rios, has some concerns or questions. Right. Do you have some type of mental diagnosis in your past? What's going on with you?
Yes. Right now I'm on Zyprexa.
For what?
For like anxiety and schizophrenia.
Okay. All right. when you're released from prison, do you have someone who, a case manager or someone who can help you stay on your medications?
Yes.
All right. All right, I'm going to follow your agreement. I'm going to find you guilty. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon, sentence you to 7 years in the prison. I'll give you credit for any time served. All right, we can go off the record. You're going to have to make sure you stay on your medications, because if you come back to another felony court, depending on the nature of the offense, your minimum sentence is going to be 25 years. You understand?
Yeah.
All right, good.